What sound are we learning today? This is the letter G and it makes the G sound. Can you say it too? G, G. G, G is for goats. G, G is for gift. G, G, globe. G, G, guinea pig. G. In the next words, I would like you to listen carefully to see if you can hear the G sound at the start of the words. There's only one that begins with G, so listen carefully. Gap. Divers. Fruit. Which one was it? Was it divers, fruit, or gap? That's right, it was gap. G, G, gap. Blending Bot is trying to say some words. He's able to sound out the letters, but he needs help to blend them to push the letters together to say the word. Let's help him. G, E, T, get. G, A, M, gum. G, O, T, got. G, A, S, gas. G, A, P, gap. All of those words have the G sound at the start of the word. Well done if you heard it, and thank you for helping Blending Bot to say the words. Thank you for listening, children, and I look forward to seeing you at the next lesson. And the next lesson, we're going to be learning the O sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any lessons. Thank you and bye-bye.